How many secrets are hidden in the tiny world we can't see? So, how do we explore and capture the mysteries of the micro world? A microscope? A camera? Maybe a macro lens? Actually, you don't need all of that. The MicroCam X1 does it all. With its twist-to-switch lens, even kids can easily toggle between 3 shooting modes: standard view, 3cm macro shots, and up to 400x microscope mode. It weighs just 160 grams, light and compact. Powered by a Sony 4K sensor, it shoots 4K video and 12 megapixel photos, and with 400x optical zoom, you can see things as small as 0.01 millimeters. Hold on, let me just show you.
Don't worry about that, it's fully protected.
Wherever you are, even in the smallest corners of the world, you can pull out your MicroCam X1 to explore and capture what you find. The images and videos are always sharp and high quality, and it does not matter which mode you use.
Want to zoom into the microscopic world? Just give the lens a quick 180-degree twist and bring it close to whatever you want to observe. Look, the unseen suddenly comes into view. With a quick zoom button, you can easily magnify even up to 10x. You can also observe mushrooms, ants, and whatever tiny objects you want to look at. And of course, you can use our additional accessories. You can easily set up fun time-lapse and slow-motion shots, enhancing your experience even further. Now, twist the lens back and hit the macro button. You are instantly in 3cm macro mode. No need to carry a separate macro lens. This one does it all. Okay. Now, let's head off! And discover the hidden beauty in every corner of the world.